Let's go, everyone. Today we are unboxing my morning moisturizer with broad spectrum SPF 35. This is Cetaphil, so I do not only use CeraVe products, I also mix it up and use some Cetaphil, and this is my go-to morning moisturizer. So this is what the package looks like. I personally like this one more than the CeraVe AM moisturizing SPF product that's similar to this one. I like how this one absorbs better. So without further ado, this will not clog your pores, all that good stuff. Actual size, that's cool. All right, let's pull out the real thing. Wow. So fresh, so new. Here's what it looks like. Gotta protect against those broad spectrum UVA, UVB rays, guys. Hope you're all wearing this when you're going out. Alright, a lot is new. That's cool that they print this on the bottom, so you know you got the new, the fresh stuff. And here's what it looks like. Okay, it doesn't work yet, but you gotta turn it. Spin, 360 spin, show you all a little bit of what it looks like. Wow, so new, the new. Let's go. Okay, pump. It's gonna come. That's what he said. All right, let's go. What the heck? Okay, here it comes. Wow. That's what it looks like. There's the texture. Hope you're all doing well. Hope you're all staying away from the harmful sun rays and protecting yourself. Stay moisturized. Drink a lot of water. Talk to you the next time. Later.